Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm here in Phoenix, Arizona, and this is my daily DoorDash numbers from the desert. Today was Saturday, January 24th. Very sluggish day. I actually took probably 4 15-minute naps throughout the day, just because I did not want to go to the hot spot, because they always wait until you're in the middle of the intersection and want you to go in a totally different direction. So I just sat outside of those areas and they never called me to a job. So my thought was, they didn't need me. I'm going to sit and I'm going to relax. And so we went out of the gate very, very slow, very, very sluggish. But just like I always tell people, there's a cap, whether or not you're bouncing your head up against that ceiling or you're down in the trenches. DoorDash will adjust and give you orders that will pull you up to that $20 per hour rate. And days that I make over $20 per hour are usually high volume, less dashers, something along those lines. So, like for instance, yesterday, went over 360. 18 hours times $20 an hour is 360. Well, I was nowhere near that. I didn't cross over 200 today until I think 5 o'clock this afternoon. And between 5 o'clock and midnight, in only 7 hours, made a little bit over $20 an hour. So they pulled me up to $20 an hour by 5 o'clock, and then I was able to make just a little bit more than that. But like they always do, they're true to their programming. And $20 an hour came in today at 364.37. So, I can take that information because obviously I'm trying to get out of debt. And gosh, if those are going to be my numbers, ballpark, plus or minus a minimal amount, I should be able to calculate out, how fast things are going to move towards my ultimate goal. So, but this is what I'm trying to explain to everybody, is that even if you're at $15 an hour and you're behind that 20 and you're like, it's dog slow, one, if you move, you get jobs. If you don't, like I did today, you don't get jobs. But still, DoorDash will take care of you. Some of you are throwing your hands up and going, what in the hell is he talking about? Others are like, wow, that's interesting. Some don't care about DoorDash. It's just a job for them. I'm just trying to figure out how this system works. And I've come to believe, have faith that the system is going to do it. And even one of my friends, Cam, he's just like, when I'm like, hey, today's a slow day. I did it today. I said, yeah, it's slow where I'm at right now. And he's just like, shut up, Tom. Shut up. You know exactly you're going to be at $20 an hour by the end of the night. And sure enough, DoorDash came through again and brought me up to that 364. So that's 1758.58 for the week. That's with 1 day off. And then 40 out of 45 offers, but there was a bunch of batched orders. So we're not going to be able to cash out tonight because I did that early in the morning and you have to wait 24 hours. So let's go take a look at the earnings just so that we can figure out exactly what we did today. So 364. The error again. Aren't you guys tired of the error? I'm tired of the error. So we did a total of 43 deliveries. So 40 offers, 43 deliveries. And I'm sorry, let's go back there real quick. Total 18 hours, 7 minutes, and 12 hours, 51 minutes active time. Looking at the pay for DoorDash, $145, and tips $219.37. Let's go look at the ratings real quick. do the ratings overall. 89 acceptance rate, 100% completion, 100% on time, 5.0 customer rating, 1,036. 1,036 in 30 days. And right now, minus the deliveries that were done today, we're at 47,378. So it'll be over 47,400 when I start my shift tomorrow. So, like I said, not going to be able to cash out, but I just filled up with gas and going to head on home. I think tomorrow I'm going to flip through. I'm going to do it in the same format, not of a picture of me in the car, but I'm going to run through my day today and show you how it is that I calculate this stuff. Like I talked about previously, I talked about taking a screenshot of every single order. And I'll show you, was this a $15 order, $20 order, or $25 order? And that way you know what your expectations are on that order, and if you can get it done faster, you'll be able to get more jobs completed, and more jobs completed for $15 jobs, is a good pace. So we're gonna run through this tomorrow, and I hope that you had a good day. I know that we're all learning, we're all trying to figure this stuff out. Hopefully I've been answering your questions in the comment section. So if you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe. Feel free to ask me any questions that you'd like. I had one person call me out on something and trying to understand what my thinking was, and I told them it was stinking thinking, that they were absolutely right. So sometimes, you're not going to try and be the authority on something. We're all trying to learn. And if I can gather some insight and information from anybody that I communicate with, fantastic. And then once I get that message and I start to try it and test it and believe in it, then I'll share that with the masses. And hopefully that moves everybody forward. So once again, hopefully everybody's making the money that they want to. Hopefully they're gaining some insight in the way that I think and the way that I'm doing this. By no means is it the right way. It's just the way that I've been doing it. And with that, I'm going to end this so that I can go home, go to bed, and wake up in the morning and quickly do that video showing you how I do my appraisal of each offer as it hits my phone. So have a good night. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Love you all, and ciao.